Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up your Zoom meeting and invite others on Zoom meeting PC version. So all you have to do now, you can open your Zoom app. You can download and install it for free from the official website, of course. Now you can open Zoom Workplace. Don't forget to sign in with your account. If you don't have one, or this is your first time, you can sign in with your Google account or Gmail. So here, in order to start or set up the new meeting, if you want to start immediately, you can tap new meeting. But here we talk about invite the others. You can make schedule first. Click on schedule. This is the schedule meeting. You can type the topic, set the date and time. For example, tomorrow morning, and this is the day, the time zone. You can set it, and here you can in order to add another, you can click another user. You can click this attendees. You have to write their email or their name, and you can enable continuous meeting chat. Added attendees will have access to the meeting group chat before and after meeting. So here, the meeting ID, you can use personal meeting ID like a new pass. Here you can like create your passcode. Only user who have this invite link or passcode can join the meeting, or just generate automatically. And here you can check this box, waiting room. Only user admitted by the host can join the meeting here. And here, this is for host. You can try to turn on your video if you want to on the cam, directly on the cam when you start meeting. Also, the participant place on the cam, you can turn this on. And this is leave it by default, and this is the advanced option. So you can click this if you want to allow participant to join anytime. You can click this box, or mute participant upon entry. I recommend you to use this box. Automatically record meeting on the local computer. Of course, you need to record your meeting. And approve or block entry for user from specific country or region. So this is optional. After that, you can save, and here you can choose your account in order to save your schedule. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.